my channel, Adventures with Amirah. If you are new here, welcome. If you're a Dollar Tree lover like I am, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button because this is a huge part of my channel. I do Dollar Tree videos all the time. I've been doing them for 4.5 years now, and I love finding amazing deals and making DIYs with the things that I find there. So let's get into it. Today I'm going to do pretty much mostly a beauty and toiletry haul along with some school supplies. It's going to be a very interesting school year. Some of the things I know they may be doing with my daughter specifically is they do clay things a lot, especially in her gifted program, and I think they're going to have some stuff that they do virtually for that. So I went ahead and got a few things for things like that, because before we had to buy clay and we would only be able to find it at the art store, and it was a lot more expensive. And these are the better types of clay. This Crafter square clay, it's actually pretty soft and malleable to work with, and they had quite a few colors, so I picked these up a few weeks ago. I'm just now doing this haul for you guys, but I wanted to get them as soon as I saw them. So if you guys think your kids are going to need clay, this is a good brand. So they had the bright green, they had a brown, they had this red, they had black, and they had a gray and somewhat of a sand color cream. So even if you just want projects for your kids to do, this is a good clay, because some people like to build little figures and stuff with them, so we really like this one. And then I got some little magnets because I feel like we're going to be doing different little charts to keep up with some of the scheduling for everything. And these are like super strong magnets. I use them for different DIYs and stuff too, but these are new in the Crafter Square at our Dollar Tree, so I went ahead and picked up a few packs of these. I got a mermaid pen because it's a mermaid pen. I got these little thank you cards or just blank note cards. I thought these were so cute. Sometimes we do luau's, not that we're going to be having any parties anytime soon, but I love stuff like this. These Hallmark Expressions cards are so nice because of the metallic finishes and stuff on them. So I like to pick up stuff like this when I see them. These say they were regularly $3.89, so of course we got them for $1. And if we just send thank you cards and stuff out, I like to have stuff like this on hand. My daughter picked up this little 2-year planner with puppies. I thought this was super adorable. And this is a 2021-2022. And I wanted to show you inside. There's like little different puppies. Is that a corgi? Oh my gosh. It's so cute. But they have different little puppies on each page. So I thought that was cute. My daughter fell in love with it. I went ahead and picked that up to keep up with some of her school stuff. We bought these crafting clamps. Now we use these, my daughter, I don't know if you already saw my business video where my daughter and I started a business together. It's really her business. I just help manage everything. But she makes different woven bracelets, and she's always attaching to something as she's weaving her handmade stuff. And so I found these crafters clips, and I think these would work really well for what she works on. We got some more of these clip pens. I love these. I love the different colors, and I can't always find these at my store. They come out every few years, but I love the colored ink. I'll always be a little girl at heart. I love to write anything cutesy, pretty. I still draw hearts all over everything when I give my husband little notes. So I'll probably use these pens just as much as my daughter, but she likes to use these when she's doing notes and stuff to have different colors for different types of note taking. And here's some scrunchies, which I found so many of these. Now down south we call them scrunchies, and they are scrunchies. I realize one of the things actually says scrunchie, but I guess this is the brand Scrunchie. But these work really well, you guys. I have the best luck with this brand specifically. Let's see how many I found. I got these because I think these are pretty for fall. We have some t-shirts that are in this same color. And then these are actually called Scrunchies, and these are more like a satiny finish. They're not the best made. I mean, you can kind of see the edges on them and stuff right here. But I like to sleep with my hair up at night because my hair is so long. It just gets all over everything, and my husband lays on it, gets tangled in it. It doesn't bother him at all, but it's very painful. So I try to keep my hair up in a bun at night, and I like these smaller types because my hair is very fine. The thicker ones kind of slide out, and these don't, so that's why I buy this brand. And I thought these were the best idea. Look, they're teensy beansy scrunchies. So this is perfect for like when I do my hair in little braids or something, which isn't very often, but sometimes if I'm swimming or at the beach. And my hair's so fine at the ends, I normally have to use like the little baby type end pieces. But these are small enough to where I don't have to wrap around 3 or 4 or 5 times to get them on the ends of my hair. So they had them in all these colors, and my daughter wears her hair in braids too, and I feel like these are still big enough that I could do her hair on them. Even though it's very curly, it's still pretty fine. So I was excited to find these. I've never seen these in a regular store. I mean, is this a new thing? I don't know, but I'm all about it. And I found one more set of those. I forgot I had these in the bottom that are just more basic colors. Then they had these. And I really like this color right here. My daughter and I have some shoes that we wear, like Mommy and Me matching ones, in this same color. And then these look like denim to me, so I thought these were cute. Got another Tangle Teezer brush, and it's not the Tangle Teezer brand, but this is the same type of brush. And this is like a mini sparkly travel size one, so this will be good for our travel bag. But these are some of the best brushes. Now, I have the regular Tangle Teezer brand brushes that I bought from CVS or wherever I ordered them from. They're so expensive. The one I got from Sephora was like 20-something because it was Hello Kitty, and I had to have it. But I realized they don't work nearly as well as these do. So I try to find these, you know, at different Dollar Trees and pick up some. I actually bought another one of these for a girlfriend of mine because her daughter has long, straight hair like mine that gets tangled really easily. But if you guys see these brushes, they have the bigger size of these too. They work so well. I would highly recommend them. And they work for my hair and my daughter's hair. So my hair is super straight, like Jennifer Aniston straight. And then my daughter is super, super, super curly, and they work in both. Some little hair clips. I really like this size hair clips. They're a little bit dressier, but sometimes I like to put my hair half up, half down. And the bigger clips, because my hair is so fine, they just slide right out. So I'm always happy to find the smaller sizes. I got 2 new types of toothpaste. I really like this sparkling white toothpaste. It's kind of it's cinnamon. It's cinnamon, but like with a zing to it. And it doesn't bother me. Some mint toothpaste are just too strong for me. My husband's not really a fan. And then I got this Clean Max one. I like these Max Fresh toothpaste as well. I got some little disposable razors. Got these seashells, and I was excited to find these because I have a craft in mind for you guys for the fall, which is really, does that start next month? I think it starts in August. But I have some little fairy things I'm going to be making, and I have been looking for these types of shells. We have shells here on the beach where I live, but to find them all in a uniform shape and color was a lot easier at the Dollar Tree, I'll tell you that. We've been collecting our own, but these are definitely easier to use for what I have in mind for a project. But that's a really good deal to find a whole bag of seashells, I feel like, for $1. Oh, here's one of the other brushes. So this is the bigger size. I forgot it was in the same haul. So if you can see, that's twice the size of the other one, but I love these. Here's some more of the hair ties. Now these are really good if you have thick hair. Like if I do my daughter's hair in a fluffy like ponytail, these will hold all day and they don't break as easily. The ones that just are kind of a no-name brand, where they're glued together right here, they break a lot more easily. But I picked these up and I like these colors. I got these, and these don't last as long, but I normally only use these on the bottoms of her hair when I do her braids. But they match a lot of the colors that she has for this summer, so that's why I got these. I got some cotton rounds because this is what I use to clean my face at night, and then also just like to remove nail polish and stuff like that. And this is a good deal for those. I like this specific type of cotton round, the little circular ones like this, because some of the other ones I got at Walmart lately, they kind of fray on me, so I like these better than those. I got some Irish Spring soap, which this isn't really a beauty item for us because this is for shaving little pieces off to put around some of my new hibiscus flowers and the trees that I've planted, because the deer keep eating them, and the deer do not like the scent of Irish Spring soap, so that's what this is for instead of just for the bath. I found this little Noxzema face cream, and this was over near the travel section. It wasn't in the travel bins at Dollar Tree, but this is a pretty decent amount. I like that you can use this for travel size as well, but I love the smell of Noxzema. I think it's because I was an 80s teenager. So I know I was at CoverGirl Makeup, I think they used to have this smell in all their products, but I really like it. And I thought that my son would like to use this too as a face wash. Now to the fun stuff. I found this at the first Dollar Tree that I went to. I hit the jackpot, so I was very happy. This is the Hard Candy Ombre Blush and Punch. It's a blush and highlighter combo, and it is beautiful. I'm so excited to have found this. Hopefully it doesn't break me out, and I'll swatch this for you guys. I put some on my inner wrist, but I need to do it on my hands so you can see. So this is the highlighter, and if you can see, it shows up really well. So on my skin, it'll look more natural. If you have a deeper tan or you're darker skinned, then it's really gonna pop. It's gonna be like blinged out on your cheeks. And then this is the blush, which, gosh, this is just such a gorgeous blush to me. I love this color pink. Love it. So I was very excited to find these. And then I also found the lip gloss. And the lip gloss is the one that I have on today. If you can tell, I don't know if it looks like just metallic-y or if it really looks like it has color. To me, in my lighting, when I look in the mirror, it looks like it has a little bit of color to it. This is called the Plumping Serum Flashers, and this one's in the color Starlight, and it looks kind of like an orangey, peachy color, and it doesn't really have a smell, but I could swatch this on my hand for you guys too. It does, it looks more orange. It's according to your lip color is how that's going to come out. You can use it as a topper also, but I'll put some on for you. It's very silky on the lips, not sticky at all, which is unique for a lip gloss. But it does have a little tingle to it. Not like the Buxom glosses. I can't wear Buxom glosses. They make me feel like 1,000 fire ants have bit my lip. This is just like a natural minty, like if you were eating a candy cane or something. It's like a natural tingle of mint like that. Doesn't smell like mint, but that's what it feels like. This might be nice, like if you're out somewhere and it's really hot, because it tricks your body into thinking you're cooler than what you are. I didn't see any other colors at my store. Let me know in the comments if you guys have found this in your area. We are in Central Florida, so these are the only ones I've seen. I don't know if they came in other colors, but I may want to pick some up. If you guys see them in other areas, maybe we'll get them eventually. I picked up some more of my favorite lip balm from there. I don't know what it is about this lip balm. It's just great lip balm, but it has such a silky feel to my lips. I love it. And I have the Laneige Lip Balm. I'm a lip balm junkie. If you've been watching me a while, I really should do one of those lip balm declutters. I must have hundreds. So, I mean, unopened, I just am like a magnet to lip balms. And if chapstick ever comes out with, you know, the crazy scents at Christmas, I get all that. It's a problem, people, okay? Anywho, this one only cost $1, and this is my second purchase of this, which means it's something I actually use, I actually love. I can put a little on as I'm doing my makeup and then put my lipstick on top of it. It doesn't slide off. I just love it. I don't know why. I'm going to share these with you guys too. These are their little Mascara Wands, which I thought these would be really cute. I'm thinking about at some point doing like a little spa party for my daughter. I don't know, this year, I mean, her birthday's in October, so I don't think we're going to be able to be doing social gatherings by October, but maybe sometime in the spring or something. I don't know. I was thinking about just having a few little friends and doing little makeup stuff with them or something, and so this would be perfect for that. Finally, they had these Maybelline Master Precise liners, and I thought these were so pretty. This one is in purple. It's called Violet Nova, and this one's called Stellar Sand, which is kind of a silvery color. Gorgeous. I like Maybelline liners. I've never had a problem with them, so I was excited to find these. Okay, you guys, thanks so much for stopping by. Let me know in the comments what you guys are finding, like if you're finding any cool makeup, because I'm so interested. And if you don't mind and you like this content, then please give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel on YouTube. It helps promote it to other people. It's not a money thing because I don't really do sponsored videos, but it does help promote my channel. Thanks so much, and y'all have a great week. Later. Bye-bye.